Let's now go to pathology. Let's discuss qi stagnation. Qi stagnation is an extremely common pathogenic factor. Qi stagnation may be caused by emotional strain, irregular eating, excessive physical work, and lack of exercise. Emotional strain is the most common cause of qi stagnation in Western patients. Some emotions, such as anger, frustration, resentment, worry, and pensiveness, may cause qi stagnation directly. However, all emotions, even those that deplete qi, may eventually lead to qi stagnation. For example, sadness and grief deplete qi, especially of the lungs. This will impair the circulation of qi in the chest, and some qi stagnation in this area will ensue. The chief symptom of stagnation is distension. English speaking patients seldom use this term and will often describe this feeling as bloating. Distension may be experienced in the abdomen, hypochondrium chest, women's breast, throat, and head. Distension is a subjective and objective sensation. Subjectively, the patient feels bloated, distended like a balloon. Objectively, the abdomen is distended, that is, protruding, rather hard, but also elastic like a balloon. Qi stagnation may also cause pain, in which case the pain is accompanied by a pronounced feeling of distension. Other symptoms of qi stagnation include irritability, symptoms that may come and go according to the emotional state, a gloomy feeling, frequent mood swings, frequent saying, wiry pulse, tongue, body either normal colored or slightly red on the sides. Distension is the cardinal symptom of qi stagnation. Other symptoms and signs depend on the organ involved. The liver is the main organ affected by qi stagnation, and indeed, liver qi stagnation is very commonly seen in practice. However, it should be stressed that other organs such suffer from qi stagnation, for example, heart, lungs, stomach, and intestines. It is important to note that qi stagnation is a non-substantial pathogenic factor. In this, it differs, for example, from dampness or phlegm. For this reason, abdominal distension affecting the liver and the intestines is not relieved by the bowel movement. In contrast, abdominal fullness and pain caused by dampness or retention of food is relieved by the bowel movement. Remember, qi stagnation does not affect only the liver, it may also affect lungs, the heart, stomach, spleen, and the intestines. Another important characteristic of qi stagnation when compared to blood stasis is that it cannot cause any serious disease from the point of view of Western medicine. For example, qi stagnation cannot cause cancer, heart disease, or stroke. In contrast, blood stasis is involved in all above diseases. Qi stagnation, the feeling of distension, distending pain that moves from place to place, mental depression, irritability, gloomy feeling, frequent mood swings, frequent saying, wiry pulse, and tongue, body either normal colored or slightly red on the sides. Thank you for your attention.